Hi, George here, and I want to show you an easy way to get a great set of channel tags for your YouTube channel. And you can do this by using ChatGPT. That's where we are right now. This is ChatGPT. Now, the first thing you have to do is to train ChatGPT about your channel. And that's real easy. Just ask it to make a description of your channel. ChatGPT now is working in real time. It no longer has that 2-year delay that it used to have. It's all real time now. Let me show you how this is done. Let's go over here. This is my gaming channel. And all I want here is just the web address up here. I'll right-click on that and copy. Go back over here to ChatGPT, and let's ask it a question. So I'll just put in here, give me a description of this YouTube channel, and I put in my channel address right there. Hit the arrow, and then ChatGPT is going to take a look at that, examine the channel, figure it out, and then give me information about that channel. Of course, there could be some great stuff in here you may want to use. Little brief intro up here, channel content and focus, community updates. This is my latest video, and a summary down here. You should copy this stuff out and save it because there's some good information in here just for helping you to market your channel. But most importantly, we've now had ChatGPT go in, look at the channel. It now understands what the channel is about. And now that we have that, we can ask it to give us a channel tag list. So let's come down here to where it says ask anything. Now let's type in a basic request for this. So just typing, give me an SEO optimized list of tags for this channel, limited to 500 characters or less, which is the limit for channel tag characters. And then hit the arrow key. Just going to go through and do that for you. There we go. Character count 497, including commas. Notice that my channel has information for both Minecraft and Roblox, and it included both of those in here. If we take a look at this, it's very close. Custom music, resource packs, Roblox free items, avatar. This is very accurate on what my channel actually does. This is more than what I have listed in my own tag list for this channel. So it wasn't just copying my tags. It was looking at the channel and deciding on the most popular tags for the channel. Interesting one right down here, Minecraft Jukebox. Some of my most popular videos are about doing music in Minecraft. So this is very appropriate, but I don't have that listed any place in my keyword tag. So it wasn't going with my tag list, it was making a new tag list. And then simply just copy this out, click on copy. I'll open up Windows Notepad. Here we go, and I'll just right click and paste. And there's my list of tags. I can then just paste this right into my channel, and it's all set to go. Very easy to do. Let me show you where that location is on the channel. So since it's my channel and I log on here, I have the customized channel button available. I'll click on that. It takes me into the YouTube studio. And then just come down over here to settings, bottom left-hand corner, come into channel. And here's the keywords that I have right now. These are old keywords. So I might as well put the new ones in here instead of this. Now I want to get rid of all this stuff. Let's just click on that X, get rid of that. Let's bring up the new keyword list. Right here, I'll just select all this stuff, right click and copy. Back over here where it says keywords, click in here, right click and paste. There we go. Here's our new keyword list. Notice that it has removed the commas in here. So it's now only at 395 out of 500. So I could add a few more in here if I wanted to. That's okay. It has some space to grow in there. Choose save, and that's saved. Let's double check that. Back over to settings, channel, and there's our new keyword tag set. So there you go. That's how you can use ChatGPT to create a keyword list for your YouTube channel.